Guys, it's Wyatt with the ramp rack. We just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to disconnect the dovetail and the ramp with our new quick disconnect feature. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to lower the ramp. And then you're going to use these turnbuckles. You're going to remove the linchpin up top and secure it down here on the ramp. And what this is going to do, it's going to lock the ramp into position, so that way it's going to act as a leg for support when you disconnect it. So once you attach those linch pins, snug up the turnbuckle there, you go ahead and do the same on this side. The next thing you're going to do is remove the pins that connect the dovetail to the side rails, one on each side. Alright. So this truck sits pretty high stock. So we have a block here. You don't necessarily need a block. It's just going to make it a little bit faster for video purposes, so you don't have to wait for us to crank on the handle and lower the jack. Alright. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the cotter pin from the back side of this pin here that connects the adjustable hitch to the A-frame. Because once there's some pressure on this jack, we're going to go ahead and remove this pin. While you're down here, you may also want to go ahead and remove your wiring harness. Lights. Alright. So like I said, you're going to go ahead and just crank up on it now. And then as you can see, it's taking some of the pressure off. The jack's taking some of the pressure. And you want to go ahead and put your hand on this pin. And as soon as the pressure is removed from this pin, you can go ahead and remove that. It's going to move a little bit, but that's normal. So you're going to continue to raise it a couple inches, and then it's going to be clear from your side rails here, and then you can go ahead and pull the truck forward. So this is not a standard feature, the quick disconnect. You obviously could take the ramp and the dovetail off manually, but this is for people who are going to be removing this to get a pallet of sod, get a pallet of block, and it's an additional feature that you can add even after you purchase the unit if you decide you want it at a later time.